Hi students, this is Sir Ayaz. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about typical questions of reversible reactions for the syllabus code 5070. Let's begin with the basics, that is the definition of reversible reaction. What are reversible reactions? Reactions that can be reversed. Reactions that can be reversed. You can even write the reaction that can take place in both the directions. Reactions that can take place in both directions. Such reactions are represented by the symbol. Now, how a reversible reaction reaches to dynamic equilibrium state in a closed system. Whenever a reversible reaction takes place in a closed system, it reaches to dynamic equilibrium state. Now, what does it mean? The total concentration of the reaction mixture becomes constant. Total concentration of the reaction mixture becomes constant. You can even write rate of forward reaction becomes equal to rate of backward reaction. Rate of forward reaction becomes equal to rate of backward reactions. Now let's solve some of the typical questions of 5070 for the paper 2. This is one of the question. Ethanoic acid reacts with ethanol to form ethyl ethanoate. Ethyl ethanoate is an ester. The reaction is exothermic. This is the reaction between ethanol and ethanoic acid. This is ethanol C2H5OH and this is ethanoic acid CH3COOH. C2H5OH CH3COOH. The product is CH3COOC2H5, which is ethyl ethanoate. The other product is water. Now it's written the reaction is exothermic, which means the forward reaction is exothermic. So we will write delta H is equal to minus. The forward reaction is exothermic. So automatically, if the forward reaction is exothermic for a reversible reaction reaching to dynamic equilibrium state, the backward reaction will become positive. Describe and explain the effect, if any, on the position of equilibrium when the concentration of ethanol is increased. First of all, you have to write what will happen to the position of the equilibrium. You will write equilibrium shifts toward product side. You can even write to forward direction, or you can mention the name of the products. Mention products. Now, why is this happening? To decrease the concentration of the reactant or ethanol. To decrease the concentration of ethanol. You can even write to increase the concentration of the products, to increase the concentration of products. You can write the name of the products here. Next part, the temperature is increased. You see the forward reaction is exothermic, which means it's releasing heat. So forward direction favors low temperature. Backward direction favors high temperature. So if you increase the temperature, the equilibrium shift towards reactant side or backward direction. Equilibrium shifts toward reactant side. For the reason, what you will write? Forward reaction is exothermic. Or you can write this one also. Backward reaction is endothermic. Now here's one more question. At high temperature, hydrogen reacts with iodine to form hydrogen iodide. This is a reaction which is taking place hydrogen and iodine. Hydrogen and iodine. The product is hydrogen iodide. Hi is hydrogen iodide. You see the reaction is endothermic. So already mentioned in the question at high temperature. Is the sign of the delta H? It's endothermic. So backward reaction automatically becomes exothermic. Describe and explain the effect, if any, on the position of equilibrium when the pressure is increased. Now they are talking about the pressure. And the effect of pressure is only applicable to gases. Here we are having gases on both sides of the equation. What we will do, we will count the number of moles, molecules, or volume of gases. On the reactant side, we have 1 mole of hydrogen gas and 1 mole of iodine. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. What about product side? It's also 2. So both are equal. So we will write no effect. For the reason, what you will write? Same number of moles or molecules or volumes of gases on both sides of the reaction. Now, what if we'll increase the temperature? Temperature is decreased. What will happen? You see, forward direction is endothermic. It should favor high temperature. So if we decrease the temperature, backward direction will be preferred. Equilibrium will shift. Equilibrium will shift towards reactant side. Or you can even write backward direction or backward direction. You can write one of these reasons. Forward is endothermic. Forward reaction is endothermic. Or backward reaction is exothermic. That's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share my video.